How to use Memrise application. Memrise is a language learning application that allows you to learn new languages through their interactive videos and AI-based learning techniques. Here's a simple guide on how you can use it effectively. First of all, you need to download and install the application either from the Google Play Store or the Apple Play Store. After that, you need to open the application, which is Memrise. Once you do that, you need to go with Get Started, which will be in the bottom. If you already have an account, you can go with I have an account, but I'll just simply go with Get Started because I don't have an option. I don't have an account. Now here you need to go and select the language that you would like to learn. Once you've selected your language, you need to go with sign up with Google, or you can also sign up with your email. So I'll just simply go with the easiest option, which is sign up with Google. Go and select an account. Now where would you like to start? You can choose this for 3 options, which is for exam prep or self-study courses or advanced speaking. I'll just simply go with the 3rd option. Now enter your name, go with continue, which will be in the bottom. Tap on start. And now what accent would you like to use in order to learn French? And then what topic would you like to talk about today? Then scroll down, and what do you want to work on today? I'll just simply go with the beginner level. And I'll go and select the time, which is, in my case, I'll select 3 minutes. Go with continue, which will be in the bottom. After that, just simply start the conversation. You can just simply say hello to get started. And once you've done, you need to tap on end session. And you will have all of the transcript on the bottom. You'll be able to see your transcript. After that, you can go with next episode, which will be in the bottom right, and you'll be able to start a new episode. Or you can also tap on my series, and you'll be able to see all of your conversation history from your pod chats. Or you can also use this application for your exam prep as well. If you're a student, you can go with student and then just simply go with continue and your level. Select the language, which is I'll choose 10 to 15 minutes per day. And then if you have a class score, you can go with, or if you don't, then you can just simply go with I don't have, and then go with create my practice plan, and then go with start practicing. Or you can also go with your free trial, and you will have all of these options right here. You will have your weekly practice plan, and if you scroll down, you will have your recent test results. You can go and start your first test. You will have all of your test results right here. You can go with my work. You'll have all of your work, your progress as well. Or you can also go with settings, which will be in the top, and then you can go and select the product. And now you can choose for self-study courses as well. You'll have 3 options. You can go with learn from scratch if you are a beginner. That's how you can use Memrise application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.